Do you want to know how you can add or invite collaborators to your team in v.io? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add or invite collaborators in v.io. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser and then open v.io and log into your account. Now, hover around here and click on this drop-down icon. You can see collaborators. Click on it and you can see you can invite your people and collaborators. So go ahead and enter email address here. Go ahead and invite your people, click invite, and an invitation code will be sent to the user. So you can also enable the edit option, or you can just give the people the option of viewing it or editing it, or such as these. So let me show it to you once again. Open v.io, hover around here, click on it and click on collaborators. Now you can see email address. Go ahead and tap on it, write down an email address, click invite, and then an email will be sent to your collaborator, and if he or she will accept it, they will become your collaborator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.